Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we're working with the Divi Supreme Modules plugin. It's an add-on for the absolutely awesome Divi theme. And we're going to use this text rotator module that we've got here. It's a great little thing to add to your site. You can sort of add some text and then have something rotating in the middle to display whatever it is you're trying to say to people. First thing I'm going to do is enable the visual builder. This will allow us to build on the front end. Let's go down and create a new section. I hit the little blue button for a new section. I'm going to make it a regular section, and inside I'm going to have one column. Now before I put anything in there, I'm just going to put a couple of dividers in the column like we did at the top for a bit of show. To do that, just go into your section, go to Design and Dividers, top one, select one that you like. I think that's the one I used before. Put in the color that you want for it. I'm using that sort of default hot pink color I've been using. Now let's put one in the bottom, select the bottom tab. This is all inbuilt with Divi, comes as standard with Divi. If you want to take Divi for a test drive, you can do so from my affiliate link below this video also. Let's use that one for the bottom. And again, I'll use that hot pink color right there. Great, so we got those in place. Let's put our Divi Supreme Modules plugin in now. So what I'm going to do, let's just roll this up a bit so we can see it a bit more. Hit the little plus to add a module. If I scroll down, all these grey ones come as standard with the Divi theme, and these sort of bluey purple ones are the Divi Supreme modules. And there's a lot of them that you get with this plugin, and they're really useful. Okay, so I want to go for the rotating text. And as you can see, there's a lot of them here. Text rotator, there we are. So if I left click, it'll put it in there. And by default, it's just rotating a bit of generic text, Divi, Supreme, rotate. That's the three different ones. You can add more or have less if you want to. So let's put in our own. Let's just save that for a moment and put a bit of space top and bottom on our row so we can see it a little bit better there. There we go, it makes it a little bit easier to see. Let's go back into the module there. Okay, so as you can see at the moment they've got Divi Supreme Rotate. So let's put it in our own. And if you want some text before, you can just center align this, make it big and small. But if you want to put text before it like I did in that earlier example, see, that's pop something in there. And if you want to put something after it, and you want to put a gap before the bit that you put after, else it'll just tag it straight onto the end of the rotator text there. So I'll just put a little space in there. There we go. Okay, let's make it as big as we want to. So we just go to the Design tab, to the text. I'm going to roll up the main text size, get it a little bit bigger. Move this over so we can see. And I'll leave it there for the moment. I will center align it in the middle, but it'll kind of hide it a bit. So I'll do that last thing. And let's just make the text blue. Now let's go back to the content and put in what we actually want in there. So for the first one, I think I said work hard. Be positive. And relax more. And if you want to add another one, simply hit the little plus sign, say whatever you want to put in there, obviously. Now we put in our before and on our after text. Now you can choose how you want it to animate in, and there's an awful lot here. Fade in right. As you can see, it slips in there. I quite like the just regular rotate, which is flip in X. I kind of like that one. But there's plenty there to choose from, so have a look around, take your pick and do what works for you. There you go, that works for me. And down below you can make it shorter time between the words, and this is in milliseconds. As you can see, they revolve quicker. I'm going to give mine, say, 4,000 milliseconds, which would be 4 seconds. Then if we go back to the design tab, you can change the color of your rotating text separately from your before and after text. And you can change the colors of those as well if you want to, obviously. So there's the before rotated text if you want to change the color on that. And padding. And also you've got all those options for the rotator text and after. Let's turn our rotator text. We'll make that hot pink color again, I guess. As you can see, you can change the background, but that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to change the color, so let's go down a bit further. There's the text color. Great. And I think I'm going to affect all the text and make it a little bit more bold. So if we go back up to the top to the text setting, I'm going to change that to a semi-bold, semi-bold. That works perfectly for me. And the only thing I want to do is pop it into the middle now. So again, on the text tab, roll down a little bit, put it in the middle. Don't think box shadow is going to work too well. It's okay. To me, it kind of almost makes it look a bit blurry. So let's take that off and leave it clean. And that's pretty much it. Let's save our changes, save our page changes. We'll save the draft or publish if you want to publish your page. Once saved, let's exit the Visual Builder and go down to where we were and take a look. And there you have it. Really easy to set up, and like I say, that's an eye-catching feature to have on your site, you know, especially if you've got a message you want people to see straight away. Probably wouldn't put it down the bottom, put it at the top or somewhere like I've done with this one. But that is so easy to use, I must say. Well done, Supreme Modules, that's a great job. So there you have it, Divi Supreme Modules. Very useful, and like I say, you can download it and the Divi theme from my affiliate links below this video. So I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.